All right, another installment of installing fiber on your live wires. So we've seen some of the other parts that I've installed right now. Now we're gonna go for a good big piece, which is this center plastic piece here. We're gonna be replacing this center plastic piece in this segment. Hope you guys enjoy what we're gonna do now. So based on this, I am gonna lose my GoPro mount because I had one here before, but it don't matter. I have some extra ones, so I'll just get new adhesive and put the new one on there, but I probably won't put it on the carbon fiber anymore. I'll have to find a nice new creative spot for it so I don't have to mess around with the carbon fiber. But we're gonna take off this piece, and this piece is fairly simple. All we gotta do here is basically take off this screw here and this screw there, which is over here. Down here you can barely see it. If take my hand out, you'll see it now. Once those two screws come off, this whole piece comes off as one, and then inside these two can detach via some the red covers that I have here. They can come off via torque screws. Once they come off, then this piece is free. I just replace it for the fiber piece, and then we're ready to go. So let's first let's unplug the bike before we come over here and take this part off. Okay. And let's go to the tech wrench again. And let's grab the part from the box of goodies. Here's the box of goodies. We have the box. So let's see what we have here. This is okay, so we have some protective paper kind of cushion it, and here's our piece. Anything else in here? Nope. And what we have here is a LiveWire Tank Trim carbon fiber, and here it is. Just for you guys to reference, if you guys are thinking about buying this part, here's the information on it, just in case you want to reference it. There it is, 613-01076. So that's pretty cool. Put this back in here. Close this up again. Put this over here. We're not going to need it. Put this back down here. Get rid of that other one too. And now let's look at the instruction sets here. So we have tank strap. This is called a tank strap. And according to this, needs safety glasses. Once again, check. And we're gonna need skill level 1. Well, it's easier than some of the other pieces we've done. So that's pretty cool. And according to this, it's basically, like I told you guys, this center piece is gonna come off. How does it come off? It looks like it's just taped on. Wow, it's even easier than what I thought. Adhesive on. Information plan. Tank strap. Part number sold separately. Ambient temperature. Warning. Wearing passenger safety. So, okay, that looks pretty simple. We'll put the instruction manual to the side right there, so we don't have to deal with it. And let's look at the piece itself. I thought we were going to replace the whole piece, but it looks like it's just an overlay of carbon on top of the plastic, which is pretty damn cool. There it is, 3M industrial adhesive, automotive adhesive double-sided tape. And this part itself is the carbon part. So that's pretty damn cool. So what I'm thinking is we're gonna have to probably get some alcohol to clean up the plastic over there on the bike, so we don't have to worry about the adhesive not curing properly on here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk into the house and get some plastic. Okay, so we have some alcohol now. We just gotta find some nice ungreased, untouched cleaning rags, which I probably should have maybe one here. Here's a nice little cleaning rag that we can use. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna clean the surface of where this piece is gonna go. So let's do that first. So let's grab our cleaning rag here. Okay, and let's first of all secure this, and let's just fold it in 4 pieces just to make it easier on us to manage it. A few more. what we're gonna do is we're just gonna throw some on top of here and just kind of wipe this down a little bit. It's just some alcohol right now to kind of get rid of all the grease and crap that could be on it. And according to the instructions, we are gonna go to just lay it on top. So let's, before we take the adhesive off and do any of that funny stuff, let's go back to the bike and let's see the fitment. So according to this, it's gonna go somehow like this. There she is. Instruction manual and the bike. So according to this, it should go right about there. I just want to make sure that it cures properly. Not a bad setup. Let's close this. So make sure that the alignment doesn't like go more to one side, more to the other. Making sure looks good. Looks over here, we gotta just be a little careful here because you can go to the side here. So we gotta make sure that it doesn't shift over like that. Make sure it's right dead center here, and it should be ready to go. So let's commit. So let's start off by taking some of this adhesive that we have here. Okay, now that we have it off, we are going to apply it on the bike itself. So let's go here, make sure we're looking at what we need to look at. Okay, and we've got to commit to this in a way that it is dead serious. Hey, how you doing? Doing good. How are you? One of the neighbors here, he's growing whiskers now. He's a clean-shaven guy, and now he's like all bushy. He's going like, why the hell do I have to shave anymore? I don't have to go to work. Like, okay, just make sure we push it down so it stays there. And now we have another piece put on the bike. Pretty damn cool if I say so myself. Carbon here, carbon there, carbon everywhere. Well, guys, enjoy. I hope you enjoyed watching me install the tank strap by Harley Davidson, and see you in another video.